again, you know, on another mine, I've actually had some interaction with the environmental department to look at what do they spend their time on, and realize that a lot of their time is actually spent on using FTP to connect to remote computers, remote environmental monitoring stations, weather stations, and downloading data. Actually taking drives out to tailings dams, collecting samples, taking it to the lab, drawing up manual sheets, and eventually getting the results back in a CSV format from the lab, which is then imported into the environmental reporting system, and then that is output to the to a report again. Again, this happens on a completely different database to the one where the METs are working. Or some of it is the samples might be on the MET system, you know, so the data is just everywhere. So basically with an IoT system, all of this can be completely automated. Again, on maintenance, I think this is definitely the biggest expenditure area on mines. You know, it's basically mines or mining companies are really maintenance companies. They have to maintain their equipment to keep operating. Well, how do you think that can be improved with IoT?
Yeah, so everyone would know the feeling. You know, it's 2 o'clock on a Sunday morning, and you've just lost the motor. I need to find out that you don't have any spares on site, and you have to stop your entire plant for something as silly as a flotation cell motor or something like that. So, you know, maintenance in that sense, it can be a very expensive process. You know, it can come down to the smallest item. So challenges we had in the mining side is, you know, we basically we know very little. I think there's very little mines that do predictive maintenance. It's something that's coming in very big now. And, you know, apart from knowing when something's about to fail, it's important to know if you have stock for that item. So